Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed his delight at more than 1 crore Ayushman cards furnished under the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra program. The meeting of the national office bearers of the BJP has commenced to take stock of its preparedness for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections and chalk out strategies for upcoming programs of the party. Tweeted by Air 740, Ekalavya Model Residential School will be operational throughout the country for the development of tribal students, said Arjun Munda, Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. In Jammu and Kashmir, the army foiled an infiltration bid along the international border in the Hor subsector of Akhnur late last night. In women's cricket, Australia was 63 for the loss of 2 wickets in the second innings against India on day 3 of the one-off test match at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai a short while ago.